Hi everyone. Good evening all of you. Good evening everyone. Right. So we'll be continuing our discussion on this all state PSC PYQs. Right. All state PSC PYQs will be discussing. We'll be continuing our discussion on this all state PSC PYQs all of you. Right. So what we were discussing, that a traversing part we were discussing. If you just remember all of you, that a traversing part we were discussing, and now we'll be continuing our discussion with which one, these aerial photogrammetry questions, right? So today we'll be going for these aerial photogrammetry questions, and after that we'll be going for which one, these other topics, you can say, is na aerial photogrammetry and other topics we'll be having, if you just observe, right? So what is it you can say? Aerial photogrammetry. How many of you are having idea about this aerial photogrammetry? Right, Naveen, good evening. Right, good evening Naveen. Right, how are you? Right, so we'll be continuing our discussion on this, right? All of you, welcome to Unacademy. Let's crack it, right? Everyone is ready to crack, all of you? Get ready to crack, all of you? So this is my profile, you can follow me, Twitch, and this is a referral code, right? RP Civil Live is a referral code you have to use always, right? So RP Civil Live is a referral code you have to use whenever you are subscribing to which one, this is plus and iconic courses, okay? If any of your friends are also subscribing to this plus and iconic courses, just ask them to subscribe, just ask them to use this referral code RP Civil Live, okay? RP Civil Live is the code, it is better if you have to use, correct? You will be getting which one, this is a 10% discount and other benefits you will be getting from this, okay? Right, now coming to this, right, now these are all the subjects I will take, you know, right? Now coming to this, on 26th June you will be having what? On 26th June you will be having which one? Yeah, yes, Naveen, you are asking the PDF from long time now. Actually that splitting is taking time. I am not doing the splitting, so that is why it is taking time actually, right? Yeah. Okay, Srinivas. Right, so this is the scholarship test going on on June 26th. This scholarship test is there, all of you. So based on your rank in the scholarship test, you will be getting this percentage of discount you will be getting in the plus subscription, right? Lina, hi. Srinivas, hi. Right, now at present you will be having this offer up to this 23rd only, right? Up to tomorrow you will be having this offer, right? What is the offer you are having? When you are taking 6 months iconic subscription, you will be getting 1 month extra. 9 months if you are taking 2 months extra. 24 months if you are taking 4 months extra, right? So here if you just observe this, 18 months and 24 months subscription, if you are taking 4 months extra, you will be taking, right? 25 question Liyakar. Yes, I'll take other subjects also, right? Tafazul Ahad, hi, good afternoon, good evening. Yeah, I'll take others also, right? बाकी के subject भी करना. Yes, I'll be taking from which one? This is July onwards other subjects I'll be taking, na, don't worry. So but I'll be doing which one? This is GATE and ESE PYQs I'll be doing, okay? GATE and ESE PYQs I'll be doing, right? Some subject in special classes will be doing and some subject in YouTube classes I'll be doing, right? So that what will happen, you'll not be having any gap, right? So all PYQs of all subjects will be completed before the GATE examination, right? And ES examination PYQs also will be completed, right? I'll be starting from this next one, okay? Yes, first GATE I will do, Naveen, first I will do GATE, okay? Because GATE is first priority. First I will do GATE. After GATE PYQs are over now, I'll be going with ESC PYQs, right? After ESC PYQs gets over now, I'll be going with state PSC. After state PSC over now, I'll be going with which one? This SSCG, okay? Naveen, don't worry. But it will take time. First I'll be giving preference for GATE only, right? I'll try to finish off all the GATE PYQs only first, okay? Now, so these are the prices, right? Plus subscription and iconic subscription price details we are having, right? These are which one? This special features of this special class we are having, you can say. And these are all which one? This is a daily scholarship test, right? There is a scholarship test daily is also happening, so don't miss the scholarships, all of you. Now these are all community features, right? All of you are yeah, yes, right? All of you are right. All of you are which one? All of you are following my community or not? Yes, na? Right. So this is your resilience if you just observe, right? resilience batches are starting from today, so don't miss this, all of you. Today will be the first date of this batch. Yes, right. Not surveying actually. It is some other subject GATE PYQs I'll be taking, right? In special classes, I'll be taking highway PYQs, and in YouTube classes, I'll be taking this surveying PYQs. Okay, GATE PYQs of surveying. Sorry, GATE PYQs of steel I'll be taking in YouTube, right? GATE PYQs of steel I'll be taking in YouTube, and GATE PYQs of highway I'll be taking in special classes. Okay, is now that is what I'll take. Okay. No, these are your resilience batch started for the GATE and ESE 2024 also. So don't miss these, all of you. Whenever you are subscribing, use the referral code RP Civil Live. Okay. No, not surveying actually. So I'll be going for steel GATE PYQs. I told you now I'll be completing the GATE PYQs of all subjects first, and after that I'll be going for ESE PYQs of all subjects. After that, state PSC PYQs of all subjects. Right? Already surveying is done. We'll be doing other subjects then after that. So when you are taking this iconic subscription, this 1:1 interaction sessions will be there for every month. 2 sessions you are having, all of you. Okay, so don't miss this. These are all GATE 2022 toppers. These are all ESE 2021 toppers from civil engineering. This is the difference between plus and iconic subscription. What is the referral code you have to use always, everyone? So you have to share this referral code to all your friends also, RP Civil Live. Okay, right, coming to our discussions. So we'll be entering here that a traversing part we have completed, and we'll be entering into which one? This aerial photogrammetry, right? That 483 questions are done now. 483 questions are done. So now part 57, chapter 9, right? Which chapter it is? Aerial photogrammetry, all state PSC PYQs, right? So what is the question? 483 questions are done now. This is your 484. Select the answer, write your option for this 484 question, all of you. Write your option for this 484 question, everyone. Write your option for this 484 question, everyone. Done? Somebody write your options. B. Leena said B and Naveen said B, and any other answer by others, all of you? Yes, right. Rotation of this camera at the exposure, right, about the line of flight is known as, right, that is a tip, swing, none of the above. It is a tilt only, right? That is called as your tilting only, right? Rotation of this, rotation of which one? Rotation of this camera, right? So it will be, so your aeroplane is moving like this now. Your aeroplane is moving like this. So first camera will be like this, and camera will be moving like this in this manner, right? It's not, first it will be taking the photo of that, next it will be taking the photo of this, right? That is called as your tilting only, right? Tilting of this camera only you can call it as, right? Now 485, select the answer, write the question number and answer, right? So that I'll not be confusing. Okay, which question you are answering. Write the question number 485 and answer. Write your answer for that. Okay, that is best way. Write this, write the answer for this 485 question, everyone. 485A, Leena said A. Any other answer by others? Any other answer by others? Any other answer? Nobody else is answering. Only Leena has answered. What about others? Anyone? Anyone else? Nobody else is answering? Okay. An assembly of this vertical aerial photographs into a single composite photograph, right? Right, a composite photographic representation of a terrain made from overlapping of vertical photographs is called as, right? So generally whenever you are overlapping, right, vertical photograph means we'll be taking, this is how your aeroplane is moving, and from this camera you will be looking in the downward direction and you will be taking the photos now. Yes or no? If you just observe, whenever you are taking this first photo, right, just for an example, let us say there is a river you are having, okay, let us say there is a river you are having here, and there is some, which one, this pond you are having, and some hill is there, just for an example, let us assume, right? And in the second photo also, what is it happening? In the second photo also, if you just observe, right, what is it covered? Some portion of this pond is covered, right? Some portion of this, right here, this is covered, if you just observe, right? So what is it covered? You can say some portion of this pond is covered and some portion of this river is also covered like this, right? So then some trees are there, whatever it is, right? Then what we need to do here? We have to combine these two now. There is some common overlapping we are having, or not, all of you? There is some common overlapping we are having now. There is some common overlapping we are having, right? Then what we need to do? We just have to merge that one and this one now. Overlapping portion. So whichever the common portions are there, we have to overlap like this. Whenever you are overlapping like this, right, then it will be giving a good or correct portrait, existing correct picture of this ground na. So that is called with which name? That is called with which name? That is called as your mosaic, right? Mosaic is simply nothing but your design, right? The meaning of mosaic is nothing but what? Design. Yes, na? Meaning of this mosaic is nothing but your design, if you just observe. Is that clear? No. Select the answer for this. Array, yeah. Okay. Solution also I given 485, 486, right? Energy extracted during the revision, but should I do, what should I do to get interest in subject revision, right? So that is why what you need to do is, Parth, whenever you are doing revision of the many subjects now, one you take a small subject, one you take bigger subject, right? So that what will happen now, whenever you are doing small subject, you will be getting relaxed. So whatever the tiredness you are getting during the big subject now, it will be okay. Yes, na? Isn't it? Isn't it? Right. So like that. Select the answer. So whenever you do, yeah. So if you are doing both bigger subjects now, then what will happen? One difficult subject, second one also difficult subject, your mind will be fully occupied now. So there is no relaxation for your mind, right? Then what will happen? It is dangerous now. It is dangerous situation you will get, right? Your mind will not work after that, right? So for that reason, what we need to do? We have to take one bigger subject, one smaller subject. At 486, what is the answer? 486, see, solved or not? Send the solution also and write the formula also. Write the formula. I want formula. Lina, you have answered by looking at the answer, right? But I want formula. All of you write the formula. You know the formula. Naveen said C, Akarsh said C, and Lina said C. What is it? It is that a relief displacement only, na? Is it not that a relief displacement, everyone? Yes, yes, Akarsh, correct, right? Very good, right? So what is that? If the image of a triangulation station with RL of 500, so what is at a reduced level, or what is at a height RL reduced level of this particular station? Ground elevation, reduced level of this ground point is what? Let us say some station is there, right? Triangulation station, some tower or whatever it is, right? Just for an example, you take it as tower, signaling tower. H is equal to 500 meters, it is given. And is 4 centimeters from the principal point of a vertical photo. When you are taking this photo na, so this is center of this photo will be taken as the principal point na, and this tower is located at this location, right? At which location it is present? At this 4 centimeter it is present na, like that. And photo from an altitude of 2000 meters above the datum, then the height of this displacement will be, right? What is at a height of this displacement means? It is your relief displacement. Relief displacement. What is that? A relief displacement? D is given as that r into that small h divided by this capital H na. Capital H is the height of a flying, right? What is the height of a flying? Capital H given. Height of a flying means aeroplane and the camera where they are located, right? H is the ground level, or that point whose reduced level we know, right? That H is the H is the point whose photograph is taken now, right? What is that r? From this is your r na 4 centimeters, right? That is your 4 centimeters means 40 na 40 millimeter into what is that h? 500 meters divided by this 2000 meters, right? Now how much it comes to be directly, because options are there in millimeter now, so that is why we have converted that 4 centimeter to which one? This that 4 centimeter to which one? This 40 millimeter. 4 centimeter is equal to which one? This 40 millimeter, right? Now tell me, what is the d value? Is it not that 10 millimeter? Yes, it is your 10 millimeter. You can say option C correct, right? Like that. Is that clear? Now select the answer for this. 487. 487. Select the answer for this. All of you. $487 BBB. Only one B. How many B's? Honey bees you want? $487B. Any other answer by others? You don't know? Okay. Aerial photographs, the longitudinal overlap is normally taken as your 60%, right? Longitudinal overlap is nothing but which one? So along the length direction, that overlap of these photographs, right? Overlap of these photographs along the length direction, right? So this is how we'll be placing, right? Common photos will be placing, right? Common portion will be just merging it, right? So what is it? You can say it is your 60%, right? It is your 60%, right? So 60% you can say, right? And if it is a side overlap, it is which one? 40% generally will take, right? Now select the answer. 488. Generally how much will be taking it? Generally that longitudinal overlap, how much will be taking it? Select the answer. Write your answer for this 488 question. A. Lena said A. Any other answer by others? B. In aerial photogrammetry, that a longitudinal overlap, right? Longitudinal overlap means whatever we have mentioned here, that only, no? Yes or no? That is only that longitudinal overlap, if you just observe, right? We'll be maintaining from this 40 to 60%, right? 60% is a maximum. It should not be greater than 60% occurs, right? So it should not be greater than the 60%, right? So 40 to 60% is only the correct answer, right? Should not be greater than 60% generally, okay? Now select the answer for this 489 question. Yeah, 489. Write your answer. It is just a numerical question, okay? Write your answer, all of you. Anyone? No answer? Akarsh, yes, 600 meters. Any other answer by others, all of you? In an aerial, Naveen said B, in an aerial photograph, if the average scale of this photo, average photos scale is 1 in 22,000. So what is that? 1 in S is equal to F divided by this capital H minus this small h, right? Small h is a ground radius level, capital H is which one? This is a height of this flying, height of this aeroplane or height of this camera axis, right? So what is it given? That 1 by SC is given as which one? This 1 by 22,000 na? 1 by 22,000. And what is the, you can say, if the focal length of this camera lens is 20 centimeter, right? That F equal to that 20 centimeter. Next, the flying height above the datum is, so what is the meaning of this flying height? Your aeroplane is at this place now. Your aeroplane is flying at this place and it is taking camera now. This is your ground, let us, right? This is your ground, right? So this is your datum. If you just observe, what is the datum? That mean sea level is the datum now. That mean sea level is the datum. And what is that, you can say, this height of this ground where you are taking is small h, and flying height up to this particular aeroplane or camera will be capital H, you can say. Okay, that is what. Is that clear, everyone? So what is that? F is focal length given and capital H is given. How much? You can say that 5,000 meters. Then the average terrain elevation above the datum, right? Means a reduced level of this one small h you are asked to identify here, right? Now what is that? 1 by S, 1 by 22,000 is equal to, what is the focal length? Focal length is 20 centimeter. How can you convert that into meters? 20 into 10 power minus 2 meters now, divided by this capital H is 5,000 minus a small h we don't know, right? Then tell me what is the small h in terms of meters? How many meters is that you are getting, everyone? Just check it. How many meters you are getting, everyone? Somebody? 600? You will be getting, that will be 600 if you just observe, right? It will be 600 meters, right? Which option is correct then? Option A will be the correct answer now. Yes, option A will be the correct answer, right? Like that 489th question. Now it is your 490th question. Select the answer. Select the answer for this question, 490 question. Anyone select the answer, all of you? This 490th question. Anyone? So from 29th onwards, I will be starting surveying all of you, okay? Scale is not given here. Is this scale not given? But scale, is it required or not required here? Scale is required here. Is this scale required? Just check it and tell me. Given na? Given 1 centimeter equal to 100 meters, right? Given, you have to read the question carefully, okay? 101. Anyone else? Any other answer? See, 101. Any other answer by others? Any others tried? So how can you get this number of photographs if you just observe that a number of photographs is equal to what? That a number of photographs that n1 or n2 na, that number of photographs in a line is equal to okay, number of photographs n is equal to how much you can get? 100% correct? Yes, correct, right? Number of photographs is equal to what is it? You can say total area of this ground, right? What is it? You can say total ground total area of plot divided by which one? What is it? What is it? Small a, you can say it is a ground area of what? Small a is nothing but your ground area of what? Ground area of this one photo na. It is a ground area of this one photo, if you just said, right? Ground area of this one photo, right? What is the total area of this plot given? The size of the photo is given. So means size of the photo is given means this is your small l by this is small w na. L by w is given and area to be covered, right? That is your capital A given na. That is your capital A given if you just observe, right? So this from this you will be getting that a small a if you just say, right? And capital A is nothing but your capital L into that capital W na. Capital L into capital W is your which one? This capital L into that capital W is which one of you? Capital L into that capital W is your capital A, you can say if you just observe, right? Isn't it? Is not? Longitudinal overlap, right? What is it? Longitudinal overlap? It is your PL. Side overlap, right? What is it? You can say that is your PW. Then the total number of photographs required for covering the above area is, right? How can you get this total number of photographs covering? So that capital A, right? What is it? Capital A? Capital A is already known to us. 150 kilometer square is equal to what is it? You can say 150 into that 10 power 3 whole square meter square, right? Is not that is that ground total plot area. And if you wanted to get this small a is nothing but your area covered by this one photo, right? What is that area covered by this one photo? This into that number of photos na. Yes or no? That in. Okay, that is number of photos. You can see if you just observe, right? Capital L into capital W divided by this sorry, into which one? This capital N, you can say, is na, right? Now if you just observe what is that area covered by one photo, that capital L into that capital B, that is nothing but your small l into, right? How can you convert small l into 1 minus that PL into that scale? So into which one? This, that's S value, right? S value into what is that? You can say that is your length conversion into width conversion, right? What is that? W conversion, you can say small w into 1 minus that pw into that s, you can say, right? Like that. Is a clear? What is the small l? Length of this one photo is what? So here 1 centimeter equal to 100 meters now. So that means 1 is to s, right? What is the s? You can say yes, here is your 100 meters. If you just over directly we are converting, right? 1 centimeter is equal to 100 meters, right? That is small l is in centimeters only now. 23 centimeters into 1 minus longitudinal overlap is how much? Longitudinal overlap is 60%, right? 0.6 into what is that scale conversion? 100 na? Yes or no? 1 centimeter is 100 meters, so 23 centimeter is the 23 into 100, right? Into what is that? Small w is what? Same 23 only into 1 minus what is that overlap? Side overlap is 30% na? So 0.3 into what is that? 100, right? 23 centimeters equal to 23 into 100 meters, right? Now tell me what is the area of this ground area of this single photograph? Ground area of this single photograph is how much? That 148.12 meters square, right? Therefore, what is the total number of photographs? Capital A total plot area divided by this ground area covered by single photo, right? What is that? You can say that is your 150 into that 10 power 6 divided by 148.12, right? How much it comes to be now? Tell me. How much it comes to be? How much it comes to be now? Is it correct or anywhere we have done wrong? Yeah, somewhere that 10 power 4 is missing, na? Yeah, where is that? You can say here it is. 1 centimeter is equal to how much? You can say this is your 23 centimeters, na? This is your square kilometer, right? 150 square kilometer. So this is 10 power 4. Okay, that is centimeters, now you are getting. How much you are getting now? 101 point this 26 something, approximately you can take it as 102, right? 102 or this 101, right? Which one is nearby? 101 is only nearby, na? Yes, 101 is only nearby if you just observe, right? Like that, isn't it? 101 is only nearby if you just observe, right? Isn't it? 101 is only nearby, right? That into 10 power 4, na? Sorry, 148.12 into that 10 power 4 meter square, right? That is correct. Yes, na? So 102 is actual one. So but 101 is a nearby answer you are having. Yes, now 491, select the answer. So this is the last question for today. That is your 490th question. And 491, select the answer of you. Select the answer of you. Or shall we stop here? Okay, we'll stop with this. We'll continue on 25th again, right? So those questions, if it is taking more time, it will be taking more time now. Already 5:10 is there. 5:10 time got over. So KPSR class will be starting now. Okay, don't worry. We'll be solving that next question, this 491 question in next class, right? On 25th we will be solving. Okay. So 25th you will be having. So in between you don't have any classes, right? 23rd, 24th we do not have any surveying classes, right? Again on 25th you will be having at 4:30 p.m. Okay. Thank you all of you.